spacing. So as this tree grows, we need tractors or trucks or something to still be able to go around. And then we need spacing this way. So Brother Isaac was saying that we could put some rows going down this direction. And so that's what we're going to do. So we have no measuring tape here. And again,
I do.
some of you
My feet are exactly 12 inches.
Okay, perfect. You know what I call that? Biometrics. Biometrics.
That's good.
Okay. So he has biometrics. Perfect. And so he can do like this.
That's right.
My paces are actually really consistent. And so it would be good for you to measure yourselves. In the garden, you know, if you know the span of your hand from here to here, that's a good idea.
Oh, okay.
It's a good idea to know about what it is here to here. That way, if you're in the garden and you know something should be 8 inches apart and you know your span is 7, then you can just do that and add a little, right? And then there you go. You don't have to get out a ruler all the time. You have what you need. My pace is different than yours, but once you know what yours is, you can use it. Now, if you're doing something that needs to have laser precision, you might want to pull out the measuring tape. We're going to choose an area for a truck. Now, one interesting thing is that sometimes we come to the best decisions when we consult many counselors. So that's what we're going to do. How much space from the fence this way do you think we need for a truck or a tractor and a trailer to go by?
About where you're standing.
How wide is the largest truck or tractor?
Well, any street legal trailer or truck, unless you have the wide load things, it's going to be 8 feet wide. But you don't want it scraping the fence while you go.
Right.
And the tree's going to get
And
big.
the tree is going to get bigger this way.
Exactly.
So we're not talking trunk to fence.
You're talking limbs to fence,
We're talking limbs to fence.
unless you want a 40-foot ladder for getting your fruit off.
12 to 15?
Right. And so that's something we'll talk about a little bit later is knowing what rootstock our trees are on.
Exactly.
So we're going to say, I think we should do about 6 feet from the fence, 8 feet for the truck, 2 feet for a swervy driver, right?
10.
And then what we do is take half the distance or spacing of the tree, because the tree is going to grow to a certain spacing,
Right.
and half would be to the trunk, right? So an apple tree, if it's full size, needs 35 feet of spacing.